Welcome back to Do It on a Dime and to Costco. You've always wondered, what are the good deals in here? Every single thing I share in this video, I want to make sure is an incredible find you cannot get anywhere else. If there's any price that is cheaper anywhere that I find or you do, I'm going to link it in the comments down below because I want to share with you guys the best deals. All of these are tried, tested, and true. Listen, let's hit it.
Did you know Costco shifts its merchandise around the store daily? It's always a treasure hunt. Here's what to keep your eyes peeled for right now. Just wait till I get to the home items and instant savings rebates at the register. Costco killed it this month. At the front of my store today, this $100 Crumble gift card is just $80. Perfect for end-of-year parties. The batteries are a great deal right now anytime you get those $3 instant savings. When I buy in bulk, this is the gadget I use to store batteries. I'll be sure to link it down below. But right now, oh my gosh, the rugs have a $20 manufacturer rebate that'll make you dance.
This product is absolutely incredible. I have this in our downstairs office for under $70. You get a giant. This is 5x7 rug. It is washable and so stinking soft. Highly recommend it.
These are so soft to the touch and clean up so well. We love it in our house, even copper. It looks amazing in the office and is so affordable.
These Mohawk Home new generation rugs are just $12.99 and they're huge. Rugs are really expensive at other stores. I'm really excited because, as you guys know, we just kind of redid the entryway and my rug is very sad. This also comes with a gripper on the bottom, so I'm really looking forward to putting this one in our house.
There is not a cheaper place that you could get a rug like this. It's really big and it doesn't slide around the floor. The unsung hero right now are these LED bulbs. These are string lights, the best I've found at the best price. We've had these at our house for years. Stand the test of time. I can highly recommend. But let's talk about inside stuff for a minute. You don't want to miss this.
This Frigidaire ice maker is absolutely fantastic. I own one of these and I paid $84 for it at Walmart. At Costco, it's $79.99. This is a super score.
I mainly wanted to point this out because not only does it beat the Walmart price, but this thing has lasted for literal years. It makes those really great pellet ice cubes that I just love so much. There is something about the texture. I always mix it with bubbly and my vitamin shots. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you like Costco videos and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me bring more content like this to you, the kind of stuff that you want to see.
There's tons of ways to save at Costco. The first trick you have to know, if there's an asterisk on the actual tag of the price, that means that item is being discontinued at that store. And you want to make sure to shop the circulars. Right now, everything I'm sharing with you this week is going to be on sale. So all of the deals that you're seeing here, you'll definitely be able to find in store. And there are some seriously amazing ones. Here we go.
And just you wait, because I've got Holy Grail products coming up.
This is one of my favorite aisles, okay? They have all of these giant plants. Now at $139, this is a really good deal. I actually have this in my bonus room. It's a similar model and a great score. But what you really have to know is the organizing products. Come here.
Faux trees of similar sizes are literally $500 to $600 in other stores.
This room divider and organizer I have had for years and it has held up. Ours is in brown, but it actually comes with all of the baskets. I want to show you how big these are. When I say this has held up for almost a decade in our house, it has. These bins are awesome. They're really great for toys, especially Legos, and you can make custom labels for the front of these. I adore this product, 10 out of 10 score. I think it would even be great in closets.
I am really picky about showing you guys the things that actually work. These bins are such a great size for holding things. They don't collapse. When I say these have held up, they have held up, and we are not easy on our storage containers, okay? So the fact that you get storage containers with this is all the better.
It's down here. Let's go. They have tons of mixing bowls, also serveware, and a lot of this is on price reduction right now. But a lot of it I actually don't need for my house.
But these 4 organizing products I've got to show you.
Thing number 1 is this 3-tier storage basket. Y'all, I want to know in the comments, where are we putting this, okay? I feel like in a bathroom, you could put plants in this, you could put your towels in this, you could put this in a kitchen if you have a really small kitchen, in like a pantry. Here are more items that I already own, so I can vouch for them. And the first one is this bamboo plastic organizer. Now it has a really cool lid like this. You can use this for snacks, which is how we use it. You can also use this underneath of your sink for garbage bags. This thing is under $20, really good deal. Also under $10 are these food wrap dispensers, which are awesome. Look at though, they're magnets. That's like super genius. And remember what I said with the asterisks? You know this is gonna be, let go. I'm gonna grab the carton.
This is the ultimate dispenser for my cleaning rags and my dish rags. It makes it so easy to use and you can pull them out. And I have ones with different textures for different purposes so I can actually see what I have. We rarely use paper towels. We end up using lots of rags, which conveniently you can also find at Costco. They're a great deal here.
These are also really pretty at a great deal. You get 3 baskets. Look, the nest for $19.99. Boom, boom, boom. This KitchenAid stand mixer is $100 off this month. It makes it just $2.99, which is awesome. This is a full size. Look at how pretty she is. And it comes with like the spiralizer too on the side. Like, this is giving. This is a sweet deal for a trash can. It's $74.99, Kohler brand and soft close. I want you to sound off in the comments down below. When is the best day to shop at Costco? In my opinion, the best day is today, which is Tuesday at 3 p.m. Seriously, like Tuesdays, no one's ever in Costco, especially like before dinner time. I feel like nobody comes here. I know it's really empty, which never happens because this Costco is bananas. And so you know, I never have stores cleared for me when I film ever. I just like pick up the camera and come in just like everybody else. Sorry, ma'am, do you have authorization to be here? Costco is known for its pillows, its sheets, and its comforters, but I'm about to say, I was really disappointed in the sheets right now. Nothing is over 680 thread count, which is not something I would typically buy, but the pillows right now, these, you get 2 for $14.99. These are memory foam. This is gonna beat Target's price. This is awesome. Also, all of their comforter sets you can get for under $30. Really good deal. This is an incredible deal. These organizing shelves, this is under $30. This beats the Lowe's and the Home Depot price. And they have one that's under $90.
Also, they're rolling out lots of summer things. So I really like these play sets. This is actually a great deal for what you're getting, but there's lots of things that I don't think are a good deal, especially in the summer section. You can find these bunch bubbles cheaper, also cornhole, you can find that cheaper at Walmart, plus these pop-up wagons. Costco did not have the best price, but they did on this item.
These giant noodles, like when you know, you know. Leslie's like, why are you getting this? I'm like, just because I want to be her in the pool this summer. That's me.
You get an instant rebate right now, $4 off, plus these Big Joe sitting chairs, like for inside of the pool. I used this all last year. They're under $22.
The next aisle though has the best stuff. All of this is vetted. It works. Just come with me. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Costco. Like none of this is sponsored by Costco. I just like it here. So I'm bringing you with me. We gotta try it out. Oh, it's a hot tub.
Costco hot tubs are really great because you get the wholesale price plus delivery is included in your purchase. I was talking to the guy who was selling them there and I learned a lot.
I don't have a hot tub, but my friend has a hot tub and she just put this into her mountain house and I had the privilege of getting to stay there over the weekend. You may remember that dresser we redid? Yeah, that was at her spot. And we got to try these out. These are absolutely fantastic. And what I like about the hot tubs is not only are they affordable here, but they're also nice and deep.
Another great deal right now are these stadium seats. They're under $30 and they're double the price at other stores.
This is a really good deal. This is under $20 for a little picnic blanket. Love it. These golf umbrellas, 2 umbrellas for $25. I mean, even if you're not a golfer, this is a great deal. You can fit 3 people under these.
These are the best size, so the stuff you carry also doesn't get wet. It was raining the day we filmed this video. I also take these to the soccer field. They're great for shade.
This is an incredible deal. Giant Lego sets for under $80. This is $100 on Amazon, also on the Lego store, so this is fantastic. And we've been to the Lego store many times. This is Carson's birthday gift of Legos. Use shoe organizers for your Legos. This is great.
Other things for your home to keep your eyes peeled for. The hangers are a great deal right now, along with shelf liners. And be sure to check out the bathroom sets for under $20 and under $40 respectively. You can completely redo a bathroom on a budget. Now, when it comes to the clothing items, I'm actually pretty picky. Some of the items didn't seem as good of quality to me, especially the things that were labeled like Banana Republic, but there is one holy grail item you can't miss.
Leslie's freaking out. These are her favorite leggings. Now you want to wait till they go on sale because they'll go on sale yearly for about $10. But these are the leggings that are awesome. Like, they're so soft. I'm gonna need a pair of these. And even at like $15, they're a really good deal. They're fantastic. Can I model you? Can they see?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do a little dance for them. Look at this. She's wearing them today, y'all. There she be.
Not only are these crazy soft, they also have pockets for your phone.
Flowers are an amazing deal at Costco, and they're so pretty. Look at how lovely these are, like for real.
24 roses for under $20. What I like to do is buy one of these and I can actually split it up into 2 bouquets. It's so romantic and beautiful around my house. It's a great way to treat yourself or someone you love.
And if you want to combine it with chocolate, let me show you the best chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. This is the best chocolate, legitimately. Dark chocolate, sea salt caramels. These are so good. When you know, you know. Why does it have the asterisk?
Oh my gosh, life-changing are these s'more clusters. Just try them. Trust me, they're awesome. And these acai, blueberry chocolate situation, they're really affordable and a little goes a long way.
Also, if you want sweets, but not all the calories, these are really good. They're $9.69. They are quinoa chocolate crisps. Like this feels like you're eating really decadently, but it's not so bad. Praline.
I love these so much. They are the best nuts.
They're labeled fancy pecans. They're perfect to snack on and for cheese boards.
Not just a regular pecan. I'm a fancy pecan. All right, here we go. Coming down to the hacks, the hacks, the hacks. Dun, dun, dun. Dermatologist recommended to remove those little like red bumps on your arms. Scrub once a week, and it's under $20. The Brazilian body butter. This is a knockoff of Boom Boom Cream, but you get 2 for $20. Does this work? Leave a comment down below because I am not sure I want to try this. I like my Sol de Janeiro too much. This is recommended by you. So I'm just going to I trust this community a lot. This is the Bondi Sands foam mousse. Now you guys know my absolute favorite is Norvell, but this comes with the mitt and 2 bottles. We're testing this out and it's on sale right now for $24.99, $10 off. Yes, yes. My beautiful friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. Thanks for shopping with me. I'll see you soon.